I forgot to make a video yesterday. So we have green water. So I put this stuff called Clear Fast in it, in the pond. And it is, so basically what it does, it takes the algae and clumps it. So it is clumping it. If you come right here, it is actually clumping it. As you can see, the waterfall, no movement. Found out, well, realized that I actually need double-sided tape. So I ordered some double-sided tape, ended up getting the cover tape, the 6-inch cover tape, and basically just got a refund, and Amazon let me keep it. Thank you, Amazon. So I ordered 3-inch double-sided tape elsewhere, so we'll just have to wait till that comes in. But that's all right. So right now I have movement in the pond, getting everything to the skimmer so it goes through the bog and clears out. And I got a hose in here just trying to move some of the gunk too. So the goal is to have this clear soon. So I got a tropical lily there. I don't know, water lily. I don't know if I told you. It's the green one. So it's purple. All right. I haven't fed the fish yet today. So, there we go. Best time of the day. There they come. That's so green. Can barely see them. Anyhow, we're gonna get this fixed. The cause is one of two things: too many fish, which I'm in denial about, and the one that I think it is putting too many fertilizer tabs for my water lilies. So, and it makes sense, like they're all doing really good. Like this one has a whole bunch of blooms. They haven't opened up though. And this guy had 2 blooms. This one has 2 and another one's about to open. And then there's one opening there. So, coming along. Anyhow, have a good day.